last video you saw how GoSport gave me this when I had gone there to make a video. Let's do a quick unboxing and do a bike spec of this bike. Bike is downstairs and ready to go. Let's just do a quick bike spec before we take it for a ride. The 21-speed drivetrain, which is a 7x3, has a Shimano turny rear derailleur, and a Chinese front derailleur. Braking is provided by dual 160mm mechanical disc brakes. The 4-inch tires are quite wide when you compare it with a scooter, a motorbike, a car, or even my gypsy. The seat and the hand grips are quite comfortable. The brakes and gear shifters are an integrated unit from Shimano. This is mounted on a 600mm alloy handlebar. This handlebar is mounted on a 75mm stem. The weight of this bike is about 19 kgs, which isn't bad considering the size of the tires. The MRP of this bike is 25,000, but there is a discount going on right now and it's priced at about 19,000 rupees. Until next time, safe ride everyone.